Hello, friends. It's time to spill some tea, and I have some tea to spill today for sure. And so let's hop into today's video, which is going to be very different than any video that I have ever filmed for you all. So let me tell you what's been going on. As many of you know, I have always been very open and honest about things on this channel. But one thing that I have never told you all is that I have breast implants. And I have had them for 26 years. And I had them put in when I was much younger. At the time in my life, it was one of the best things I ever did for myself. Believe it or not, I had very low self-esteem. And there are many reasons for that. But I always felt so inferior when it came to my chest. I was made fun of in high school. I mean, seriously, you all, I couldn't even fill a size A cup bra. I was flat chested. My older sister got blessed with all the boobs in our family, and I did not. I was just as flat as a board. Anyway, so I went through life, and I was hoping, that when I had my babies, that I would be one of those women that kept the breast tissue. Let me tell you, when I was pregnant, I couldn't even fill a size B cup bra. I never, ever, ever was endowed. Ever. Not nursing anything. It was just crazy. Anyway, I had just always said I would really like to get breast implants. For many reasons, I didn't because, first of all, financially, it wasn't feasible. We couldn't afford it, that sort of thing. And then one day we were able to afford it. And I got them. When I met with my doctor, I wanted a C cup implant. It's really hard to determine exactly what you are getting when you have implant surgery because of breast tissue and that sort of thing. And anyway, I did not end up with a C. I ended up with basically a double D. I told you that I would be coming on and doing a makeup moment with the Makeup by Mario Ethereal eyeshadow palette. And so I am doing that. I am just putting my layer of powder over my eyelids because I use the NARS Complete Concealer as my eyelid primer. And then I put a layer of setting powder on top. And that makes the eyeshadow go on smoothly. So now can we talk about the Ethereal eyeshadow palette? This was an original palette by Makeup by Mario. However, it sold out and he never brought it back. And I never got my hands on the first palette. He has had, I don't know how many requests to bring this palette back. And I have another Ethereal eye palette that I absolutely love. And this one is just different colors. And so I thought we would just play today, just see what I can do here with this palette. I'm thinking, oh my gosh, there's so many colors. I'm actually thinking of using this, and this. So let's go for it. Now, his formulas are stellar. I am tapping here. This is such a pretty color. That's beautiful for right there for your crease, my faux crease. Remember, I go above my crease because as we get older, our eyes hood. And if you go into the crease, then what happens is the eyeshadow disappears because you can't see it. And I really, really like to tap it. Gosh, that's a pretty color. I love that. Let me look in my mirror. I have a mirror right here. I think I'll just take what's left on this brush and go up. Same thing here. It's kind of blending what is here, kind of taking it up a little higher. I'm going to use the same brush. I'm just wiping it off on my paper towel down here. And I think I said I was going to use this, this, and this, but I think I'm going to use this, this, and then go into one of these shimmers. So I'm going to use this on the outside corner. And oh, wow. That's beautiful. I mean, yeah. That's why I wanted to do a makeup moment just showing you this palette, because there are very few palettes that beat his formulas. So what I'm going to do is I am blending those two together. And I don't know if you know this or not, but I try really hard to hold closer to the outside of the brush. So the end of the brush, it's just floating in my fingers because I don't want to apply a lot of pressure. Okay, we'll do this side. So I pretty much have all of my makeup finished, which is a good thing. Now I'm going to blend. Usually I clean up with a damp washcloth, but what I'm going to do today is just take what's left over on my concealer brush and just go in an upward motion on these outside corners. It'll be great. Perfect. All right. Which shimmer? Oh, there's so many to choose from. Now, I will tell you what I do with his shimmers is I always wet my fingers, and always, because I feel like I get more bang for my buck. And I always use my finger with his formulas. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this beautiful gold color. I have gold buttons. Whoops. I'm going to grab this. Oh my golly. Oh, that's so pretty. I love that. I got my contact fixed. And that's the only way I can see to film is to use my contact. So, and I wear one contact when I'm filming. That helps so incredibly much. Y'all, that is beautiful. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to finish the rest of my makeup, and then I'm going to come back and talk to you about a few things. I finished my makeup and it looks really pretty. I am telling you, this eyeshadow palette is such a good one. And I want to use so many of the other colors, and I will. And they're just, it's just stunning. But anyway, I wanted to give you a little makeup moment so that you could just see me using the Ethereal eyeshadow palette, because it's very much well worth the money. So let's move on. At first, I really liked the size, and I was happy with the size and very happy with my implants for years and years and years, and never even thought about changing them out because no issues, anything. Well, about 6 months ago, I started having a lot of pain in my right breast. It would wake me up at night. It was so uncomfortable. It was like zingers, zing, 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 like burning. I talked to my husband and he said, we need to get you in. We need to get you seen. I'm worried about you. And so I didn't know who to go to, but I inquired with some friends and had used plastic surgeons. And I decided on one in kind of our area and went to see him, really liked what he told me. And he said what had happened is that the saline breast implants, they get slippery, and it was sliding around and it was hitting nerves, and that was the problem. He said the only fix for it is to remove them and to put new implants in. I had even thought about explanting, which means you take everything out and you do not put anything in. But I knew that was going to require a lot of reconstruction, really, because of the tissue and the stretch skin and everything. So I said, is there any way we can do this and put a smaller implant in? And he said yes. And so we talked about it, decided on what would be best for me. Well, last Friday, so that was 6 days ago, I had my breast implants taken out and new ones put in. And yes, I was able to go smaller. I had to have a lot of breast tissue removal. And so it's been a little painful. And I'm still very, very swollen. I'm not showing what I look like. I will in a future video, but I wanted to make sure I was getting a video out to you all this week. I have been able to look and see what I do look like. And like I said, I have been in quite a bit of pain, and I am taking my pain pills, and I waited to film this until the pain pill was in my system for many, many hours and probably ready for another one. But I'm trying now to, to wean off of them and to only take them at night. But I'm doing really well. And I just wanted to make sure that I got a video out for you all so that you could see that I'm okay. I was able to go yesterday, and I'm really not supposed to raise my arms. I will be getting my hair washed and blown out about once a week, because I can't hold a blow dryer for quite some time. So it's a little bit different in the Casey household, but my husband's taken really good care of me, and I have been living in my pajamas and enjoying being pampered, if you will, and enjoying wearing little bras that are hook and eye closures up the front, no padding, no nothing. They're just, holding me up. This is extremely different than 26 years ago. I was bound like a mummy, I think, for a whole week, and I couldn't take a shower. There were just so many things. I can't even really remember it. But anyway, I am so happy that I was able to come on here today, and I'm going to keep this short. But I just wanted to say hi and let you guys know I'm doing good. And that is all the tea I have to spill today. And I will see you the next time. Bye.